Okay, 11. The quadratic function shown passes through 2, 0 and q 0, where q is greater than 2. So they've drawn a graph for you there. You have the area R and you have the area S. So what is the value of q such that the area of region R equals the area of region S? Okay, so we talk about the area, under a curve. So therefore, of course, it's integration. But then the issue is, we don't know what the function is, right? So we know it's integration, but of course you need to integrate the function, which we need to find. We know it's a quadratic though, and we know that it passes through 2 and q, right? So we could construct a quadratic by using its roots, right? So the quadratic, let's say y, should be x minus 2, x minus q. So many people stop here, right? Because of course, if the roots are 2 and q, then you just construct it like this. But technically, there should be a constant in front, right? Because you don't know how stretched out up and down is the quadratic. So it should be a times x minus 2, x minus q. You should take this family of quadratics, to be honest. But you will see later that actually the a doesn't quite matter, because the a does cancel out in the calculation. You'll see later. So then the most accurate quadratic is this guy, with the a. Okay, so r equals s, right? So r is integral 0 to 2 a x minus 2, x minus q dx, equals. Now, for s, that's the area under the x-axis, so negative 2 to q, a times x minus 2, x minus q dx. So of course you can take the a out of the integral, because the a is a constant. So then you see why it doesn't matter, because this cancels with this. Okay, so and then now you just do integration, so this becomes, x squared, what is it? It's x squared minus q plus 2, x plus 2q, right? So when you integrate, this becomes, x cubed over 3 minus q plus 2 over 2, x squared, right? And then plus 2qx. Okay, so then we sub in the boundaries and we will write down the equation. So 2 cubed over 3 minus q plus 2 over 2 times 2 squared plus 2q times 2. And when we sub in 0, of course nothing happens, equals, again, same as when we, what am I trying to say? So you sub in q minus you sub in 2, right? But then there's a negative in front. So it becomes, when you sub in 2, minus you sub in q, right? So you sub in 2, same as the left hand side, that's what I want to say, like that. And then minus, you sub in q. So minus q cubed over 3 plus q plus 2 over 2q squared minus 2q squared. Okay, so when you sub in 2, it cancels. So 0 equals, I could cancel q as well from that chunk. So 0 equals negative q squared over 3 plus q plus 2 over 2 times q minus 2q. Okay, and then from now it's just an expansion exercise. From now it's just expansion exercise, which of course I need more space to do. So let me scroll this down. I could even divide by one more q, can't I? And then I'm going to multiply the whole equation by 6 as well at the same time. So minus 2q plus 3q plus 6, and then minus 12, I think. So then I have q equals 6. And you solve the equation, q equals 6. Good. Okay, so the answer should be E. E is 6.